square root tricks. So we have some examples on the board. The first one we have here is 144. To get the root of this, you just have to do it the way we do LCM, lowest common multiple, dividing through, starting from the lowest number, 144. So 2, we go here. 2 into 14 will give you 7. 2 into 4 will give you 2. 2 here. 2 into 7 will give you 3, remainder 1. 2 into 12 will give you 6. 2 into 3 will give you 1, remainder 1. 2 into 16 will give you 8. 2 into 18 will give you 9. 2 can no longer go. 3 into 9 will give you 3. 3 into 3 will give you 1. 2, 2, 3. So this will be 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 12. Therefore, the square root of 144 is equal to 12. Now the next one we have is 676. To get this, divide through, just did the other one initially. So the lowest thing that can go here is 2. 2 into 6 will give you 3. 2 into 7 will give you 3, remainder 1. 2 into 16 will give you 8. 2 here. 2 into 3 will give you 1, remainder 1. 2 into 13 will give you 6, remainder 1. 2 into 18 will give you 9. The next thing that can go is 13. 13 into 169 will give you 13. 13 into 13 will give you 1. 2, 13, which is 2 times 13. This is equal to 26. So the root of 676 is equal to 26. Now the next one we have is 1024. Please do this and leave it in the comment section.